Welcome to our video on animal behavior experiments. Studying animal behavior is an important field of scientific research that can help us understand the complex relationships between animals and their environment. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some fascinating experiments designed to uncover the mysteries behind certain animal species. Let's start with a classic experiment, Pavlov's dogs. Ivan Pavlov was a Russian scientist who discovered that dogs could be conditioned to associate food with a certain sound. By ringing a bell every time he fed his dogs, he conditioned them to salivate at the sound of the bell alone, even when no food was present. This experiment showed how animals can learn to respond to specific stimuli through conditioning. Pavlov's work had far-reaching implications beyond just dogs, as it laid the groundwork for the study of animal behavior and learning in general. Moving on to primates, researchers have conducted numerous studies on chimpanzees to explore their cognitive abilities. One such study involved presenting chimps with a mirror and observing their reactions. The researchers found that chimps not only recognized themselves in the mirror, but also engaged in self-directed behavior, such as grooming or making funny faces. This experiment helped shed light on the sophisticated cognitive abilities of primates and their ability to recognize themselves as individuals. Another famous experiment involving primates is the work of Jane Goodall, who spent decades studying chimpanzees in Tanzania. Her groundbreaking research revealed the complex social structures and behaviors of these primates, including their use of tools like sticks to extract termites from termite mounds. Goodall's work has informed our understanding of primate behavior and led to increased conservation efforts to protect these endangered animals. Birds also display fascinating behaviors that scientists have sought to understand. For example, researchers have studied the courtship rituals of male bowerbirds, who build elaborate nests to attract females. By manipulating the appearance of the nests, researchers were able to determine which aspects of the nest design are most important to females in choosing a mate. This experiment helped reveal the evolutionary pressures that shape these behaviors and the importance of courtship displays in bird species. Another interesting bird behavior is migration, which scientists have long sought to understand. By tracking migratory birds with GPS devices, researchers have been able to map their routes across vast distances and observe their behavior along the way. This research has revealed how birds navigate using celestial cues like the position of the sun and stars, as well as magnetic fields. The discovery of these navigational mechanisms has broadened our understanding of animal behavior and provided insights into the workings of the natural world. Finally, let's talk about social insects like ants and bees. These creatures live in complex societies where each individual plays a specific role in the colony. Scientists have conducted experiments on these insects to understand how they communicate and coordinate their activities. For example, by painting individual ants with different colors, researchers were able to observe how the ants interacted with one another and determined their specific roles in the colony. Similarly, studies of bee communication have revealed the complex dance language used to communicate the location of food sources to other bees. These experiments have shed light on the sophisticated social structures and communication systems of insects and helped us appreciate the complexity of these seemingly simple creatures. Overall, these animal behavior experiments offer fascinating insights into the natural world. By understanding how animals behave and interact with their environment, scientists are better equipped to protect and conserve these species for future generations. From dogs and primates to birds and insects, the study of animal behavior continues to yield exciting discoveries and enrich our understanding of the world around us. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.